Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my lovers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become one of my very own low riders. Okay, you guys, today I'm going to be styling this unit that you already see in my head. It's a unit that I made. It has to be over 2 years ago. And I did it on a sewing machine. It's a closure. And it was one of the first wigs that I made. One of them. But yeah, I'm going to be installing this wig. And sit back, sit tight, watch the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And also comment. Because I like to hear what you guys have to say about what I'm doing on this video and every other video. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and watch the video. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to be talking during this video. I'm just going to install this wig, and I will talk to you guys at the end. Enjoy! Okay, guys, I got a very late start today, and I decided to pull out one of mine. I think I said that already. That I made when I very first started making wigs. This hair is long, but yeah, I got to head out the door because I'm in a rush. And I'll see you guys later, I think.
Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock and fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you